India got independence on 5th of August in 1947, so people of India celebrate this special day every year as the Independence Day on 5th of August. In the event celebration organizer in the national capital, New Delhi, the Prime Minister of India on of India led the national flag in the early morning at the Red Fort, where millions people participate in the Independence Day ceremony. During the celebration at Red Fort, New Delhi, many texts, including march past, are performed by the Indian Army or are culture events by the school student performance after the national flag hosting and national anthem Janagana Mana recitation and the Prime Minister of India give has annual speech. Jai Hind.